Hello, Robbie's Cuisine family. It's been a really long time. Thank you for all who comment, subscribe, and like our previous video. This recipe I'm about to make today has been requested by my brother for his birthday dinner, and I thought, why not share it with the Robbie's Cuisine fans? So today, I'm about to show you how to make some delicious meatball for your family, Haitian style. Are we ready to make some delicious meatball? Let's go over the ingredients. I have over a pound of ground beef. I also have some potato, 3 potatoes that I boiled in salt water. Then I smashed them afterwards. I have 3 slices of bread soaked in water. I have some chopped green, red, and hot peppers. I have some chopped parsley. I have some chopped onions. I also have some mixed spices. For my mixed spices, I use green onions, garlic, and parsley. I have some lemon juice. I squeezed half of a lemon, and also I added 1 teaspoon of the mojo marinade. And I have some powder mixed together. I put 1 teaspoon of the garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of the complete seasoning, 1 teaspoon of the onion powder, and a teaspoon of the thyme. So that's it for the ingredients. Start with the mixing process. So the first thing I like to do, I like to put my spices. Okay, so I'm gonna add my mixed spices in it. I also gonna add the lemon juice with the teaspoon of mojo marinade, and I'm gonna mix it. Okay, and let's add our green, red, and hot peppers. Let's add our parsley, onions, let's do the powder, and we're gonna go ahead and mix everything really well. Okay, you want to make sure you have clean hands, because we're gonna go ahead and squeeze the excess water on for the bread, and we're gonna add it in our mixture. And we can go ahead, use our clean hands to mix everything together. Next, we want to go ahead and add the potato, the smashed potato in it. It's going to give it the consistency that we need. And we're going to mix everything well. So it's missing something. I just taste my ground beef. I'm lacking of flavor. So what am I gonna do? I'm gonna go ahead and add some more of the mojo marinade. I went and add 3 more teaspoons. And also, even though I put 3 hot peppers in it, it's still not spicy. I'm gonna go ahead and put some hot sauce in it. That's gonna do the trick. That should do it. Go ahead and mix it. half of a Maggi cube. And I'm gonna break it and spread it all over. Okay. And I'm gonna go ahead and mix it. This is how the ground beef looks after we've done mixing all the ingredients. So remember, once you're done mixing everything the first time, go ahead and taste the ground beef. If you feel like it's missing something, you can always go ahead and add it. Okay? So we are done with the mixing process. The last and final step, we are going to fry our meatball. We're going to start with the frying process. So you're gonna take a clean frying pan, put it on the stove, put some oil in it, and let it be hot. Okay, and I use this utensil. They usually use that for soup. I use this one to get the meatball shape, and it's easy. It's really easy to use. You just get the excess out, and then you put it here. All right, so it really gives you the perfect shape of the meatball. Okay, so now I have some flour. I'm gonna go ahead and mix my meatball with some flour. Gotta be mixed really well. I'm frying my delicious meatball. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it. And I'm gonna go ahead and let it fry all the way until it's golden. All right, guys, this is the final result of our delicious meatball, Haitian style. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like the video, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.